In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or present a trend line in Tableau. This quick and easy tutorial will help you understand how to seamlessly integrate a trend line into your data visualization, enhancing the clarity and insight of your graphical representations. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. Once you have it open, navigate to your worksheet where you want to add the trend line. Worksheets in Tableau are spaces where you can create and customize your data visualizations. If you're new to Tableau, it's a good idea to get familiar with navigating through its various tabs and menus. Once in your worksheet, your first task is to drag the Order Date to the Columns area. Be sure to change the date format to Month. This allows your visualization to reflect monthly trends in your data, which is often more insightful when identifying patterns over time. Next, drag Sales to the Rows area. This action creates a basic time series plot showing how sales figures change over the months. At this point, you've set the stage with your basic data visualization. Now, let's head over to the Analytics tab, found in the left sidebar next to the Data pane. This tab houses various analytical tools you can use to enhance your visualization. Locate the trend line option within this Analytics pane. Drag it onto your visualization. As you do this, Tableau will offer you several model types: linear, logarithmic, exponential, polynomial, and power. Each of these models fits different patterns of data behavior, so it's important to select the one that best aligns with your data's characteristics. When making your selection, consider the nature of your data. Linear is often used for data that follows a straight line increase or decrease over time. Logarithmic is useful for data that increases rapidly initially and then stabilizes. Exponential trends are good for data that accelerates over time, while polynomial fits more complex, curved data patterns. The power model is suitable for proportional relationships. Once you've chosen the appropriate model, the trend line will appear on your graph. Hovering over this trend line will reveal the equation of the line, along with statistical details such as the R-squared value and p-value. These metrics are crucial as they provide insights into the line's fit and significance. The R-squared value indicates how well your chosen model explains the variability of the data, with a value closer to 1 suggesting a better fit. The p-value helps assess the statistical significance of the trend. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a trend line in Tableau. This skill can significantly enhance your data storytelling capabilities, allowing you to present clearer, more insightful analyses. As always, exploration and experimentation in Tableau can lead to deeper data understanding, so feel free to try different trend models and adjustments to find what works best for your data.